Hey guys, it's Glen Murray. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2023. Hope you're doing well. I just want to jump on here before I get into work. I've had a couple of weeks of recharging, chilling out with the family. Still doing a couple of emails a day, but really just focusing on having a really nice holiday for the last 2 weeks. But now it's time to get to work. 2023. All right, what's happening this year? If you're jumping on, you're watching it live, say hey. If you're watching replay, just type in replay. Now, what I have planned for this group this year, we're going to be growing it. I'm going to be working on a high ticket product. I'm in with the John Thornhill and Omar and Melissa's group. I've got the power of James Fawcett behind me, George Wickens from Superfunnels, and then some of the other promoters that I promote on Warrior Plus. Those are the main ones. So what I want to do for you guys this year, we're gonna get your mindset set up properly. Now, here's the biggest issue I find that a lot of people have. Oh, I'm going to throw this up on YouTube. So if you're on my YouTube channel, then definitely hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and you'll be able to you'll get notified when I put up videos. And whenever I put up videos, you're always going to get some sort of free stuff, some free funnel, some free swag, something like that, or just some really good tips. So what we're going to focus on this year is we're going to focus on getting your basically your super funnel, which everyone needs. We're gonna focus on your super funnel. We're going to focus on your email marketing, how we're going to be sending out our emails. I was guilty of doing the really spammy emails, and I really want to stop that because what happens is I think too many people are getting these spammy emails and they think they have money without doing any work. And I hate that feeling. I really want people to understand that affiliate marketing is a great way to make money. It's limitless to what you can make. It just depends on you. You can make a couple $100 a week. You can make a couple $1,000 a week. You can make a couple $1,000 a day. It's really up to you how far you want to grow your business and how much you want to put into it. But there's a lot of people that think that don't quite understand how the pieces go together, and they'll get an email saying, activate your account, your commissions are waiting. Well, when someone says your commissions are waiting, they're waiting for you to take action to get your link out there. Someone buys something and your commissions are waiting. Okay. So a lot of people just think that they're already getting paid. And a lot of times I get email replies saying that people are waiting for their money from Publishers Clearinghouse, which, guys, you're probably getting scammed if you're thinking you're waiting for money from Publishers Clearinghouse, because we all know anyway, you probably feel like you're getting scammed. Okay, so what are we going to be doing? So we're going to be building a funnel. And when I do that, I will give you my landing page and how I did it in the Get Paid with Glen. If you don't have the Get Paid with Glen funnel, go get it. It's a great funnel to have. Start using it. Now, if you, so that was built on ClickFunnels Classic. If you want to get ClickFunnels Classic, you can pick it up for $97 a month. It's one of the best tools you can have. But if you really want to have an all-in-one platform, go get ClickFunnels 2. I will be building it in ClickFunnels 2, so it will be available in either one if you want the entire marketing suite of ClickFunnels 2 or the ClickFunnels 1. And then you'll be able to promote it in both. So what's cool about having ClickFunnels Classic and then getting ClickFunnels 2.0, I think they're going to do this for everybody. My ClickFunnels Classic account is in maintenance mode, so I'm not paying for it anymore. I just have to pay my new subscription on the ClickFunnels 2.0, which is a full marketing suite. The issue I have with ClickFunnels 2, it doesn't integrate with a third-party autoresponder, so you have to use the autoresponder that's built in there. It delivers, it's fine, it works great. There's still some bugs and stuff like that, but generally they're working everything out properly. So that's really good. So basically, we're just going back to what we're gonna focus on right away. Sorry, I've got like a bump there. I see a red spot. Basically, we're going to focus on really getting that funnel and getting traffic to it, guys. And I think the best way to get traffic to it, if you don't want to buy traffic, solo ads you can do, Bing ads, but really, I wouldn't go with Google ads or Facebook. You can't compete. That's reality, guys. You can't compete. You're going to be paying such a high price to get a lead that you can't compete really with Google AdWords and Facebook. That's just too expensive now. But Bing and solo ads, you can get a lot of leads. But the better leads are social media. I've been using a lead magnet called Traffic Viral stuff. So it's a really cool lead magnet. It's people don't even have to actually opt in. What they do is and you've probably seen this online. They click the button that says log in with Facebook, and when they do that, they were giving permission for Facebook to give me their email, and so their email goes onto my email list, and then they get the product, and usually it's a download. The couple of downloads I've used is Email Marketing Made Easy and Why You're Going to Fail with John Thornhill. And I found a really cool online PDF editor that you can actually go in and you can change the links so that they would be your affiliate links in those products. So that's all coming down. So these are the things this is why you want to subscribe to my channel if you're on YouTube, because I'm be showing you how to do all those things. And when I finish doing the new 2023 funnel, I'm visualizing what the landing page is going to look like in my head right now. I'll get to work on that. What else happened? I purchased a domain called Email Profits with a Z. So I will be putting out a product called Email Profits, and that will have a course in it. And it'll probably be, I don't know what platform I'm going to put it on. Maybe on Warrior Plus. What else is there? Affiliate marketing on a shoestring is still humming along, selling a few units here and there. The Get Paid with Glen. If you don't again, guys, if you don't have the getpaidwithglen.com funnel, go get it. Now, so what happens? I'm going to explain the funnel to you. There's a landing page. There's a pop-up for your email, which is a two-step opt-in, which actually I think it's the stats are like it has a 30% better conversion when it's a two-step opt-in. And then it takes you, once you opt in, it takes you to a bridge page. I introduce myself, and then it takes you to 4 offers. There's 4 offers there. And then once you get through the 4 offers, you're into the training course, which has a free Aweber training course and all that stuff. So that's Skip. So if you want to use that, guys, the only subscription you'd be paying for is you'd have to have a Clickfunnels account. If you already have one, great. If not, go get the free trial. And then an autoresponder, which is $20 a month. And you're in, and you can use that, and you can start generating traffic with that. So that's the first thing. So where was I? Anyway, yeah. Make sure you get that, because it will give you sort of all the fundamentals. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create more funnels for you guys this year, and have you have your own funnel. So you would have your Get Paid With You funnel, right? And then you would have a bridge page, and then you could still sell them my offers. If you don't want to go create a swipe, if you don't want to create those products, you can just put in the 4 sequence and give them my training course. You don't have to go recreate the training course. You can just give them my training course, but you can make commissions on all the sales in there. And I'm not sure. I think it's I got to check the commissions, guys. I don't remember what commissions it's set on right now. Where are we? Let me just jump over to Warrior Plus here and see what the commissions are on getpaidwithglen.com. So it's killer email swipes done for you. Let's see. Vendor offers products. Okay. Killer email swipes. So you get 100% on the front end, 100% on the killer swipes. You get 50% on get paid with done for you, 50% and 50%. So they're all 50% except for the killer super swipes, which are 100%. But if you buy the commission booster, then you get your commission bumped up, I think, to 80 or 100% on those. So that's what you want to do. If you are requesting to promote that, you can't promote it. You have to be in my system in order to promote it. So that's how you'll be able to promote that. All right, guys. That is. Let me get back on here. Oh, Ecamm wants to update. All right, so that's basically where we're at. So this is 2023. We are getting started. I'm going to get down to work here. Again, we're going to be having all these products for you guys. And because you're in my my affiliate profit pages group, I'm always giving you guys deals on the products themselves. So there'll either be a coupon, or I might tap a couple of you in the group to be a beta tester. Make sure you're active in the group. Don't spam in the group. Don't invite people to the group. This group is it's only by invitation from me through my emails. Nothing is stopping you though from creating your own affiliate profit pages type group, right? Where you can be the leader and you can bring people into your environment. That's a really smart thing to do. But again, I know Betty, if you're watching this, you invited a whole bunch of people. I denied them because I don't want them joining a group that they don't know anything about. People come to this group because they know who I am. They want to be taught by me. So that's why I created this group. So that's why it's not just invite anybody. If you say, if you want to invite someone, then message me or have them sell them one of my products, right? So you make commission, and then once they're in that product, they get invited into the group and then come into the group. So instead of just inviting them into the group, put them through one of the product's funnels and get them to make a purchase, and then they get brought into the group. Pretty cool. All right, that's it. That's all I have for you. I'm going to get to work here. Oh, something's popping up here. And hopefully we're going to have a very, well, not hopefully, let's not use hopefully. We are going to have a very, very profitable 2023. Hopefully all the crap of pandemic and all this craziness on how people are treating each other in the world is going to change this year. I hope we have a lot more civility in our everything, our politics, our life, just all that stuff. Hopefully that's behind us. Hopefully we can actually get out there and start helping people make more money. And my goal for this year is to have 100 of you get to six figures. I know it's going to be hard, but we can do it. But you got to do the work. It's just not going to come to you. It's just not going to drop in your lap. You have to set up your systems. You have to have a system. If you don't have a system, you can't do it. Like, that's just the reality. So you have to think about it. You are a business owner. You're not an employee. You own your online business, whatever it is. If you're selling dog training, you're selling healthcare, you're selling weight loss, you're selling make money online, whatever it is you're selling, you have to have a system, an environment where you sell that, and then you need to attract people to that environment so that they can get introduced to your products and then make a purchase. All right, so think smart. This is a great business. Make sure you're not treating it as a rainbow pot of gold or a lottery ticket. It's not that. It's a business. So you have to plan out your days. Look at. This is I've got a blank page here to get ready. Actually, I don't have a blank page. I have a bunch of notes here. Oops. All my ideas of my funnels. Look at opt-in bridge, right? There, oops. Can you see that? Those are all my funnel ideas. But I've got a new page. I just turned it to a new page as it's starting here because I want to write down for 2023 what these funnels are going to be. That's it, guys. Hopefully, this is helpful for you. Let's make it. Let's make you have a prosperous year. Let's get you. If you want to be one of those 100 that's going to make it to 6 figures, let's do it. Again, it's going to cost you some time. It's going to cost you some money, but we do it so that we get you into the black as soon as possible and out of the red. But be realistic. You're probably going to be in the red for the first couple of weeks or maybe even a couple of months until you start generating consistent commissions. Good thing is your base, your cost doesn't keep growing as your business keeps growing. It actually, oh, I mean, it grows a little bit, but mostly it stays. You have fixed costs that pretty much stay the same. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Again, if you're on my YouTube channel, make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Oops. There we go. All right, guys. Cheers.